Hello everyone and welcome to our channel today. For today's video, I'm going to be folding my laundry and chatting. Tell you a little bit about what's going on in my world, which basically is nothing new. I did get out Wednesday and take care of bills, and as you know, I posted that video. And the good news that came out of that was I contacted the people from my AT&T Wi-Fi, and they were able to take that charge off. So it will be reflected on my bill next month because I went ahead and paid the guy just because I didn't want it to come up as a late fee in case they didn't take it off. So next month my bill will be a little bit cheaper. So I'm glad about that. And then yesterday, as you know, I've been advertising things online because I'm trying to downsize, and two, I'm trying to make a little bit of extra money on the side until I can get my channel monetized. And so I advertised like 4 things yesterday, and a lady came and bought one. So I made some money there. And then, as I told you, there's supposed to be a lady get in contact with me Sunday about an item that I posted. Then I've had 3 more people contact me about another item. They haven't said they want to come and look at it or anything, but I'm hopeful that it will happen. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Right now I'm folding my wash rags. This is the way I fold them. I fold them long ways. Some people fold them up like this in little squares, but I put them like this and I lay them sideways in the shelf. So they fit pretty good. But anyway, I made a little bit of money on that. And I'm still waiting for the money to come from the kitchen boas that I sold. And I've had one more person that's interested in the kitchen boas, but they want me to make them in a color scheme that I don't have the fabric for just yet. So I am going to have to go to Walmart and see if I can find the fabric. It's a seasonal fabric that they're wanting, which they're starting to put out right now because they're putting out Halloween and fall decorations and stuff. So they'll probably have the Christmas fabric out before next time I go to Walmart, and then I can get that and get those made. So it's coming all together. The Lord's taking care of me. He's blessing me with things. I haven't been stressing about it or worrying about it too much. I usually do whenever something like that comes out. I used to do that all the time back in the old days, but that was because I was blowing my money. I was taking it and I'd pay 1 or 2 bills, and then the rest of it I'd just spend it on junk. So I'm not stressing about it because I know the Lord has plans for me that are good and not to harm me. And I know that it'll all work out. I just got to hang in there and wait. See what happens. But if I, like I've told before, if I can get my views up on my channel and get my channel monetized, I'm pretty sure I can make an extra $25 a week on that. And one of the other things, now I forgot what I was going to tell you. I washed my shower curtain. That's what this is. To take them down and wash them once a year or so. Because even though you're using the shower, dust settles on top of the shower rod, the rings and stuff. So it helps if you can take it down, and if you can't wash it, at least knock the dust off it, you know. So I did that. I washed it. Looks pretty good. I've had this shower curtain for quite some time. I bought it years and years and years ago when Walmart was really heavy into Hello Kitty stuff. At one time it was very popular, and the bathroom section of Walmart had all kinds of Hello Kitty things. Soap dispensers, soap dishes, towels, washcloths, shower curtains, hooks, everything. And I can't think what it was I was going to tell you. Oh, I know what it was now. I may have to go back to doing my channel once every other day. And not because I'm not figuring out how to get it like this, but because of my phone problem. It's still telling me that I have no storage, and I have went in there and deleted everything that I possibly can. Some of the stuff on there I can't delete because it came with the phone and they won't let you. I have to have my banking app. I have to have my messenger, stuff like that I have to have. I deleted apps that I don't use that much. I deleted a few games. There are still some games on there that I'd like to keep. Because sometimes when I'm not doing anything, I do play games. And that's kind of an entertaining thing for me. So I don't want to get rid of that. But anyway, I'll try to finish out at least this month, and then I'll see how it goes. There's pictures on there that I can delete, but I'm waiting till I get hard copies of them because they're photographs of my son and his family. Once I get paper photos of those, I will take those pictures off because they've been on there for 6 years. I will delete them, and that'll give me a little bit more space. And what I do after I make a video, as soon as I post it, and I go on my page and see that it stuck, that it took, then I go in there and I immediately delete that video and get rid of it. So I'm deleting as much as I can, but they're still telling me it's not enough for my storage. So I'm going to go. Thank you for coming and watching with me doing my laundry. Remember, life is short, so make it a great one. And y'all come back and see us now any old time. Bye for this one.